Hey you guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a frontal lace front, and yes, I did style it. That is not included in this video, but I'm going to teach you guys how to basically install a frontal or a closure unit that you may have at home on yourself. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and learn something new. Thank you for showing out my channel. Subscribe, like, and share. Comment below. Hit the notification bell just so you know when the next time your girl is dropping a video. Have a great one, you guys, and I hope you enjoy this video.
Some of y'all got issues, talk more shit, no tissue. Got 8 kids who miss you, wife tried to fix you. Life is so blissful when you keep your dick full. I pity the fool, you seem like a tool. You don't give a fuck, life must really suck. Now look at you stuck, kids are out of luck. Dead beating much, you are just a mutt. Now you got a gut, drinking on your lunch. Manners, do you got it? Man, I got it, cause you niggas acting childish. Manners.
Okay, you guys, so I'm about to start braiding my hair. I went ahead and used the Shea Butter for natural hair, comeback curl, next day curl reviver. I just sprayed a couple in my hair, and I put like a nickel sized amount of olive miracle. I got it from Walmart, maybe less than $4 for sure. It's anti-breakage moisture lotion. So I put that in my hair already. I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair, and I'll be right back. And I'm back with my mix. They kind of butch braids, but that's what's gonna work. Okay. And as I'm done braiding my hair down, I go ahead and use the white bottle, Wild Growth. You can get it from Amazon, your hair store. Now I'm going to use the Gots to Be glue, the black bottle and the yellow spray bottle. I use that to secure my wig cap down and just to hold it in place. After you spread the glue evenly amongst your edge or your hairline, I usually go ahead and take a comb and brush my edges back. And then go ahead and now I'm going to go ahead and get my wig cap. This is the type of wig cap that I use. You can use a stocking and cut it. It's perfectly fine. It just helps secure your head just so you can mold it to put the wig on. Now I'm just using the comb, the end of the comb, just to push my edges back while I pull the wig cap forward. Then I go ahead and use the black bottle of Gots to Be glue and put a layer on top of the wig cap. Now go get that yellow Gots to Be glue spray bottle and spray your hairline about 1 layer. Okay, so it's about dry. Now you can take your wig scissors, or you can take your eyebrow razor and cut against your hairline. Then Okay, y'all. So just get a regular rag after everything is all said and done. Put some alcohol. And the alcohol that I was using was 91% alcohol. You can find it at the local drugstore, Walmart, CVS. Just really to get me some alcohol. And like I felt so like, what the hell? Where is that kind of thing? Okay, y'all. So, oh, I'm using Ghost Bond. I use 2 applications of Ghost Bond. So, now usually if you don't get like every part with like the first layer, it's okay because then you'll get it by the second layer with the. And don't be trying to add glue when the glue already dried unless it's another layer that you're trying to put, because that's going to look clumpy and ugly. Like, smooth it out with your hands after you apply everything, just so it can have a smooth, flatter transition, and the lace glue won't bulk up on your hairline so it won't look a hot mess. So now just even it out. Yeah. Now that the first layer of hair is clear, I'm going to go ahead and take a second layer of the Ghost Bond glue and apply it to my hairline.
Some of y'all got issues, talk more shit, no tissue. Got 8 kids who miss you. Wife try to fix you. Life is so blissful when you keep your dick full. I pity the fool. You seem like a tool. You don't give a fuck. Life must really suck. Now look at you stuck. Kids are out of luck. Dead beating much. You ain't just a mutt. Now you got it.
Now I'm going to go ahead and take my foundation and I'm going to spread my foundation color for the wig cap color. This just is for what I do because I didn't bleach my wig beforehand, so yeah. Okay, so now we have our wig on. The glue is drying right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and what I like to do for my sides to stay down, I really just like pull like a sideburner here and I pull it down, that way it can stay right there. And hairpins just to hold the excess hair back. And that is really much it. I'm gonna come back with it styled. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. Yes, I styled the wig off camera and I got ready because I'm going somewhere, because you know today is Miami Boys pool party, so you know a real girl had to show out. But yes ma'am, I have another YouTube video describing how I got this style, how I did it. And yes, thank you for watching my channel. Come back anytime, girl. Let's okay. Boom.
Some of y'all got issues, talk more shit, no tissue. Got 8 kids who miss you. Wife try to fix you. Life is so blissful when you keep your dick full. I pity the fool. You seem like a tool. You don't give a fuck. Life must really suck.